Why is this query returning nothing? Most beginners will think SQL is broken here, but the truth is SQL is doing exactly what it is supposed to do. And if you don't understand null properly, you will probably fail SQL interviews and write the wrong production queries. Let me show you. To understand this use case, we are using the employees table with the 4 columns: employee ID, employee name, department, and salary. So here we can see 2 employees have their salary set as null. So when I'm running this query, here I am applying the filter, return the rows where salary is null. Why I'm getting the null records? We have just now seen there are 2 employees with the null salary. So these 2 employees with the employee ID 2 and 4 should be returned. But we are not getting that result on using this SQL query. Let's try to understand this practically. In the previous query, when we were typing something, so SQL is treating the null not as a particular value. It is considering this just as a simple information that is missing or unknown. For example, if I type something like this in our SQL query, SQL will return true. But in case of null, if I will be typing something like this, SQL will take it as an unknown. Think of it like this. If I ask you Rahul's salary and you say, I don't know, can I compare that unknown salary with any another salary? No, right? Because information itself is missing. That is exactly how SQL treats null. So SQL doesn't compare null using the equals to operator. So how we can fix this? In order to fix this issue, we simply have to replace this equals to operator with a special keyword in SQL that is known as isNull. Then we will be running this query. Proper results of all the 2 employees where the salaries are unknown, missing, or the null will be returned. If we want the opposite, we can also use the another special keyword that is not null. So it will returns the rest of the rows where the salaries are present properly. This is the dangerous interview mistake. Most people think they should return employees whose salary exists, but again, null cannot be compared. So how we can fix this? We have to use the keyword is not followed by null in order to get the desired results. The simple rule to remember is null is not a value. It means unknown. That is why equal operator doesn't work. Use is null or is not null instead. And trust me, this tiny SQL concept confuses more people in interviews than you think. I'm Soumya and I will see you in the next one.